How's it going, everyone? Eric here. Quick video. I am on my way on a short little trip. I'm going to try using Spirit Air. Found a little cheap flight. This is something I might try to do more often. There's a YouTuber, Jermaine Ellis. I just admire this guy. He will just buy a ticket and fly overseas and not even have a return ticket. I'll never probably get to that point. But a part of it is, and he calls himself a minimalist, easy for me to say. And I try to be that same way in my life. I don't like to have too much stuff. So I'm only going to be gone for Friday, Saturday, come back Sunday night. So 3 days. And I want to fit everything in a backpack. I bought a ticket where I could also take a checked bag. But I want to fit everything in a backpack because I want to see if I can start doing things like this more often. So let me show you what I got here.
So unfortunately, this is like the hardest time of the year to try to travel because we're talking 70s in the day and 50s at night. So we got the toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, my cell phone charger, lotion because I get ashy, some underwear, some socks, and anybody that knows me, they just know I never wear plain, boring socks. I got my buffalo wing socks, some sushi socks, and my Pikachu socks. Just a little pair of shorts. I can sit around in the. I actually got an Airbnb, so I can just sit around in. I got a extra tank top. I went back and forth and taking an extra pair of jeans. I have a pair on now, but I didn't know if I wanted to wear the same for 3 days. T-shirt, couple of polo shirts, and I really went back and forth if I want to take my hoodie or just wear a thin jacket. So we're gonna see if we can get everything in this backpack. All right, so there we go, guys. I got everything in there. I'm really going back and forth on bringing that hoodie because it takes up so much space. Let me get that open. Sorry about the bad camera angles. The hoodie. I just know if I don't take it, and I do have a thin jacket I'm going to wear, but I just know if I don't take that hoodie, it's going to get pretty cold, and I just got a little thin jacket. So I'm going to take the hoodie, and let's see how it works. Usually I don't buy too much when I'm traveling anyway. You know, sometimes I'll get a t-shirt or something like that, so... All right, I got a little bit of time. I think I'm gonna go get me some breakfast and head to the airport. Alright guys, so I landed here. I'm at the Myrtle Beach airport. Not too bad. This is another reason I'm happy I didn't have to do any carry-ons. I don't have to deal with all that crap back there waiting to get my bag. So I got everything. Ride shit area is out this way. So trying to call my Uber. Alright guys, so I checked into my Airbnb. It's kind of like a hotel room, but a little bit different, and I'm going to tell you why. Because normally this is what you get when you get a hotel room. You get your beds and you get your TV. It's so-so. But you know, I got it for a really good price, probably
cheaper than what you get a hotel for. So let's explore a little bit. You go this way, got your closet, a few extra pillows, a vacuum, an iron, which I'm probably going to need because I threw everything in my backpack. Let's get a light switch here. I like this. You have a full kitchen, you know, depending on what kind of Airbnb you rent. The microwave. You know, 'cause you probably, at least me, I'm probably going to go out and eat a lot. But it's nice to have this kind of stuff if you need it. See, with Airbnb, you got a fridge. So if you buy yourself some snacks or some food, you can keep it there. This is a nice little mini living room. Got a little Murphy bed. That'll just slide out if you want that. Got your couch, but here's the main reason I got this room. Let's go for a little walk. The balcony. Look at this view, guys. See out over the ocean. Kind of nice. I got privacy this way. The balcony right there, but unless they're sitting right in the corner, they can't really see me. Got a little chair. I can bring those chairs and sit out here. But look at this. This is why I like to travel. I'm gonna go out and do some exploring tonight. Probably get some food, but I could just sit here on this balcony, man. I love this. All right, guys. Next part of this video, I'll probably be out doing some exploring. What's going on, guys? Trying to get a little bit of a view of my background. Another beautiful day, man. Just trying to get out, travel a little bit more. Spirit Air, that was nice. I would definitely take Spirit Air again. It helped a lot, I think, learning to travel with just a backpack. The seats were fine, the plane was fine. And for so long, I wouldn't take Spirit Air because they have such bad reviews online. Easy check-in, easy check-out. I have my boarding pass on my phone. Just loving the view out here. Yeah, guys, so I would definitely recommend Spirit Air. It's a nice, cheap flight if you can. Just try to pack real light. It makes it a lot easier. Flight was on time. No delays. I do fly back tomorrow, so we'll have to see how that flight goes. So today I'm going to try to get out and do a little bit of exploring. Check this place out. No, it's not a bar. It's actually a store called a gate off here or something that is really, really weird. Alligator feet. I don't know who you'd give that to. It looks like something for voodoo. If you don't like them that way, you got them this way. Where's it at? There you go. Alligator feet on a stick. Only in the South. Some alligator heads. These things are really just creeping me out. Check this place out. River Street Sweets. Oh, look at all that fudge and chocolate. I would definitely be picking up some of that. Rice Krispie Treats, Fruity Pebbles. It's like every kind of candy in the world in this joint. Truffles. This is pretty cool. I'm out here. I think it's called
so beautiful down here. This is the salt marsh. Like some very expensive living over that way. There's some cows. Why? I don't know. Looks like there's 2 or 3 of them out there.
Alright guys, so I got a few more hours left down here by the ocean. You got the pier back there in the background. First time doing this, I say so far I've really enjoyed it. I did run into a friend down here, so that kind of helped as far as moving around. And I'm just going back and forth. Would I prefer to travel with someone or just to try traveling more by myself? It's been a really great experience so far. I am going to try to do this more. Thinking over the next holiday when I get a little bit of time off work, try to get everything in one backpack, just find a cheap flight and go somewhere. Wish I had done more of this stuff when I was a lot younger, but you know, hey, you're never too old. So I'm just enjoying these beautiful views. Sorry about having my hand in the picture down there. Spirit Air was really nice. The Airbnb was pretty good, except for a couple of issues. The neighbor that just liked the party, we had to call, you know, security on them. They were just blasting music at 3 o'clock in the morning, and they started trying to do it again the second night. So anyway, got a few more hours to kill. I'm gonna do a little bit more exploring, and then make my way to the airport.
There's some really weird things down here with their hush puppies. They're really good, but everything down here is sweet. They're like donuts. I'll show you where I'm about to eat dinner.
No, we trust you. All right, thank you.
Wrap up this adventure in Garden City, so I'm here at some kind of cafe. I got the calamari, but this is so weird, man. Yeah, they're like little mini fried shrimp, not fried shrimp. Very good. That's fine. Yeah, little mini squid. Let's taste that. I think I've never eaten this kind before. Oh man, just look at that. That is so weird. Leo's ate a whole squid brain.
Hey, so check out this little one of a kind. I was talking to somebody at the restaurant next door. They say there's only like 5 of these in the country or something. I thought it was like a little UFO shaped house. And they say it's built to withstand a Category 5 hurricane, and they were built like in the 70s. He said a guy comes here like once a year to stay in it. Man, I would Airbnb and rent that thing out. That's something different. So you never know what you're gonna see, man, when you're out on the road. Just get out and walk around a bit. To wrapping up this one backpack adventure. About to head back to Ohio. I heard it's pretty bad up there. Somebody just sent me a message asking if I have a boat to get back home. So I really enjoyed this. Spirit Airlines was fine. Worth paying extra few bucks to get the upgraded seat. I think I'm gonna do another one of these around Memorial Day. I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna go yet. Post something in the comments. Let me know where you think you'd like me to go. I'm gonna do it again. I'm just gonna put everything in one backpack, buy me a ticket, go somewhere for a few days. I spent some time with a friend down here. I'm not sure if I want to do that way again or just do everything by myself. I'm still trying to figure that out. But it was nice. It was a lot of fun. I recommend if you get a chance, just pack your stuff up and take a trip. Alright guys, so I'll see you next time around. Once again, please post down there in the comments. Let me know where you think would be a nice place for me to visit.